Scan now. Meet Sovi, your new AI study buddy.
Labor force participation sounds tricky, but this one is fast. Combine the right groups, divide by the total population, and the answer pops out cleanly. First, find the labor force itself, because participation rate uses everyone either working or actively looking for work. So add employed 140 million and unemployed 20 million to get 160 million. Next, use the participation formula. Labor force divided by the civilian non-institutional population. That means 160 million over 200 million, which simplifies to 0.8, and we are almost done. Now convert that decimal to a percent by multiplying by 100. So 0.8 becomes 80.0%, and that matches choice E. Well done! Scan now. The trap is rushing signs or steps. The rule is trust the given numbers and check each step.